This is an Arduino. This is a breadboard. This is a LED. I am going to be attempting to make a very complicated device with this LED, Arduino, and breadboard. This is what the wiring looks like. This is an LED. This is a light-dependent resistor. This is the thingamajig that controls it all. The code's gonna be very complicated. Time to finish up the coding. Now to upload it. Whoa, that's a bright LED. Let me turn down the light a little. If I shine this light from the iPhone on the LDR, the LED turns off. This could be used in a room to help save energy and help protect Earth from becoming a bacon that's cooked in 370 degrees. I just made that up. To know that no one else has ever made this device before, I am going to be searching on Google.